Hi everyone, welcome back to our online learning platform SP Lessons Competitive Exam. So, today we are going to continue the very fresh topic for today, that is July 1st, 2021 current affairs quiz. As these current affairs are very useful for all type of competitive exams when you are appearing for any type of government sector exams. Without current affairs, there is no type of competitive exam. So, that is the most important and most weightage topic in all type of government exams. So let's start with our first question. PM Modi has recently launched Japanese style Zen garden in which city of India? A. Surat, B. Guwahati, C. Ahmedabad, D. Pune, E. Indore. And the answer is option C. Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi virtually inaugurated a Zen Garden and Kaizen Academy at Ahmedabad Management Association. AMA is shortly known as Ahmedabad Management Association, premises in Ahmedabad on June 27, 2021. These two new initiatives are part of PM's vision of creating a mini Japan in Gujarat. Second question. Rahi Sarnobat has recently claimed gold medal for India in which event? A. Boxing, B. Shooting, C. Archery, D. Badminton, E. Tennis. And the answer is option B. Shooting. In shooting, Indian shooter Rahi Sarnobat clinched the 25-meter pistol gold medal at the ISSF Shooting World Cup in Osijek, Croatia. Third question. When is the United Nations International Day of Parliamentarism commemorated? Option A June 30, option B June 27, option C June 29, option D June 28, option E June 26, and the answer is option A June 30. The United Nations International Day of Parliamentarism is held on June 30 to celebrate parliaments and the ways in which parliamentary systems of government improve the day-to-day lives of people the world over. The fourth question, the International Asteroid Day is observed annually on option A 28 June, option B 30th June, option C 29th June, option D 27th June, option E 26th June. And the answer is option B, answer 30 June. The International Asteroid Day, also known as Asteroid Day, is a United Nations proclaimed day observed globally on June 30 every year to raise awareness about asteroids and what can be done to protect the earth, its families, communities, and future generations from a catastrophic event. Fifth question. Law Minister Sri Ravi Shankar Prasad has recently launched ITAT e-Diwar, an e-filing portal of option A Central Administrative Tribunal, option B Interstate Council Tribunal, option C National Green Tribunal, option D Competition Appellate Tribunal, option E Income Tax Appellate Tribunal. And the answer is option E Income Tax Appellate Tribunal. The sixth question. Who became the first Indian woman cricketer to be handed a 4-year ban after failing the dope test? A. Smriti Mandana, B. Anshula Rao, C. Shifali Verma, D. Tanya Bhatia, E. Poonam Raut. And the option is option A. Smriti Mandana. Which space agency hired the launch world's first physically disabled astronaut? Option A NASA, option B ISRO, option C European Space Agency, option D JAXA, option E CNSA. And the answer is option C European Space Agency. Eighth question. Who is the author of the book titled Anomalies in Land Justice? Option A B.N. Sri Krishna, option B Ravi Ravindran, option C M.N. Venkatchalaya, option D Arvind Datar, option E Roshan Singh Sudhi. And the answer is option B R.V. Ravindran. Ninth question. Who has recently become youngest Indian cricketer to make debut in all formats? A. Poonam Raut, B. Priya Punia, C. Mithali Raj, D. Shifali Verma. Option D. Shifali Verma. 10th question. Which of the following country has been included new in grey list of Financial Action Task Force, which is shortly known as FATF? Option A Malaysia, option B Philippines, option C Indonesia, option D Cambodia, option E Myanmar. And the answer is option B Philippines. 11th question. The first 2 units of world's second biggest hydroelectric dam, the Behetam Dam, has been constructed in which country? Option A India, Option B, South Korea. Option C, United Arab Emirates. Option D, Pakistan. Option E, China. And the answer is option E, China. 12th question. Center inaugurates Asia's longest and world's fifth longest high-speed track NATRX in which place? Option A, Delhi. Option B, Lucknow. Option C, Indore. Option D, Bombay. Option E, Kolkata. And the answer is option C, Indore. Who has been appointed the chairman of the Indian Federation of United Nations Associations, which is shortly known as IFUNA? And the options are option A, Jagadish Singh Kekar. Option B, Deepak Mishra. Option C, Ranjan Gogoi. Option D, Shambhunath Srivastava. Option E, Sharad Aravind Bobde. And the answer is option D, Shambhunath Srivastava. 14th question. Mollywood's veteran cinematographer and director who was passed away recently. Option A, M.J. Radhakrishnan. Option B, Kannan. Option C, Sivan. Option D, K.V. Anand. Option E, Sri Radhan Nair. And the answer is option C, Sivan. 15th and final question. ICC Men's T20 World Cup, originally slated to be held in India, will now be shifted to which place? Option A, Qatar. Option B, New Zealand. Option C, Oman. Option D, UAE. Option E, Australia. And the answer for this question is option D, UAE. Hope you all are enjoying these sessions from our SP Lessons Competitive Exams YouTube channel side. If you have any doubts or if you want any topics from us, you can make a comment on our YouTube channel, or you can send us an email us at career@itoolsinfo.com. You can follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram also, and you can purchase some very important ebooks on our Instamoji with very less cost and very less prices. We have some lot of PDFs for lot of exams like IBPS and some government sector exams like UPSA and CAPF, SSC, SSMTS. We have provided some PDFs, some ebooks also in the form of booklets and the form of PDFs. There we are provided last 10 years previous exam papers, model papers, and some quantitative aptitude related formulas, shortcuts, tips on how to crack any exams in a very easy manner with the less cost of 15 to 20 rupees. So utilize the opportunity and please subscribe our YouTube channel for very and pure and awesome videos and awesome content videos related to all type of competitive exams, all type of bank exams, and lot of entrance exams. Thank you.